right, today we're going to be unboxing the Golden Thread Tarot. So, I have the app for this deck. I liked that, so I figured I would order the deck itself because I'm pretty hands-on. And, oh, awesome little card that comes with it. The universe inside you is as vast and wondrous as the stars. May these be a fond companion on your inner journey and guide you when you need them most so that you may never be lost. Very nice. Now, ta-da, the deck. And Golden Thread Tarot. 78 gold foil cards on eco-friendly plastic cards, companion app for Apple and Android devices. Designed by Tina Gong. And very carefully slicing the plastic. And this box is really nice. And ooh, they don't feel like, they kind of feel plastic, but they kind of don't. This is very interesting. They're, oh my god, they're super bendy, which is cool. So, oh, inside the box. Boundless is the world within and without, and great are the paths that we wander. A single golden thread lays before you, weaving mirrors and lighting your way into the dark. So that is the inside of the box. And back of the cards. Very cool. Oh, these are going to be a pain to show, but yeah, that's fun. All right. So here we have the Fool and the Magician. Yeah, these are... All right, this approach for this is just not going to work really well because they're so shiny. But High Priestess. Oh, the Empress has this awesome Asian vibe to her. Their little hair sticks. The Emperor, the Hierophant, Lovers. So I'm really enjoying this. This is totally hard. The simplicity of this deck, but also that it manages to really capture the essence of the different cards. So here's the Chariot. Strength. Look at that lion. He is awesome. The Hermit. Yeah, blinding. Oh, I like him standing out on the edge of that cliff with his light and the clouds. That's a very cool interpretation. So now we have the Wheel. Yeah, again, this is really hard. Justice. Ooh, very simplistic Justice, but very powerful. The Hanged Man. Yeah, so they feel awesome in the hand. Death. Yeah, this lighting is very difficult, but I'm loving how simple and yet impactful these are. Temperance. The Devil. The little ones at the bottom kind of remind me of the Pac-Man ghosts. Tower. The star. She is beautiful. The moon. The sun. There we go. Judgment. This is awesome. With the gravestones and the resurrection and the trumpet. Very cool. The world. King of Wands. Queen of Wands. Knight of Wands. Page of Wands. Oh, how cute is his little hat with a little feather? Come on, love that. Four of Wands. 3. 2. Ace. I'm really loving that ace. And the flowers at the bottom growing up around that. The trees. 5. 6. 7. 8. All the momentum. 9. 10 with this amazing scarab and very Egyptian symbolism there. Now we move into cups. Oh, they're mermaids. So we have the King of Cups, Queen of Cups, the Knight, who is not a mermaid, Page, the Ace, with the snakes coming up together. It's 3. Happy celebrating ladies. 4. This is an interesting take on this, where she's she's got tears in her eyes. You can see that she's focusing on that one cup as opposed to the others that she still has. And the 5, very logical progression from that 4, again with the tears and the loss. 6, bunnies. Who doesn't love bunnies? I kind of don't. They kind of creep me out, but shh. All right, the 7. Snake and the death's head, the poison and the mask, and the really cool depiction of all the things in the cups. The 8. 9. And the 10. Now go on to swords. We've got the King of Swords. And the Queen. Knight. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There he is. His horse is winged. Taken off. He is flying ahead for adventure. We have a page. And now we have the 4. I don't know why these do that. Count backward from 4, but 3, 2, very traditional 2 of swords there. Ace. 5, 6, and the 7, sneaky little fox there, and that's 7, he's cunning and wily. 8, 9, and the 10. Now we move into the pentacles, and he almost looks like an elk with those antlers growing out of his head, very earthy. And the Queen. She is beautiful. Knight. Page. Ace. Oh, now they start going 1, 2, 3. The 2. 3. The 4. He's got a pig snout, so that lovely reminder of being greedy. 5. Oh, I am really enjoying this. This one has the hands open, asking at the door to the church. So I traditionally think of the 5 as my ask for help, you jackass. And usually it's people ignoring an offer for help. So I really like that in this one, they're being receptive and proactively asking for help. So now the 6, again, that sharing the wealth card. 7, beautiful garden, growth. The 8, awesome representation of the apprentice and hard work card. You are forging your future. 9, and the 10. I'm sorry that it's really hard to capture the artwork on these in this way, but I'm really loving this deck. This very, very cool, and I love the black edges, and they feel good. I mean, they feel a little bit flimsy, but not because they're plastic. It doesn't feel like you're gonna rip them, which is interesting. I'm definitely going to start doing daily draws with these, and this will be my working deck for my own readings for the next couple weeks. So we will definitely see how that goes, and stay tuned for a deck interview. And that is it. Golden Thread Tarot.